Everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm back finally with an updated scan code video. So basically, these are all the figures that have come out here in Canada in the Dino Escape lineup, and today I'll be, of course, sharing with you the scan codes to them. I also lumped in the Dilophosaurus because it's a newer figure. Obviously, it's Legacy Collection, but hey, it's a new scan code, so we're going to roll with it. So there's the Dimorphodon scan code. Here we go. We'll do the Dilophosaurus next. And like always, if you guys can't scan them, make sure to pause it so you can get that optimal scan time. And also, if certain scans don't register for you, if you're having a hard time scanning them and you just can't get it, just let me know down in the comments and I'll feature that figure in the next scan code video, because I do them quite often. So here is the Ceratosaurus. Next we'll do Bumpy. There we go. We'll do the Herrerasaurus. There we go. Let's do the mosasaurus next. Bit bright. There we go. We'll do the Stego. Perfect. That one looks crisp. We'll do Dracorex next. This one's pretty cool. I love the color scheme on it. It's a lot more different than what we got in the previous Dracorex figures. Super cute. Which one should we do next? I guess Zuniceratops. And there we go. This one's a cute figure. Loving the design with it. Try and get the shade on this. This is the second Scorpius Rex figure, the posable one. And it sucks, the paint's wearing off on the neck joint. Oof. A lot of rubbage there. Yeah. Next we'll do, I think this is Limbo. Hopefully that one registers. Then we've got the electronic Scorpius Rex. Nice. And finally, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wicked. So hopefully you guys could get the scan codes you needed. Again, make sure to let me know in the comments if these guys didn't scan, and I'll feature them in the next scan code video. So I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more scan code videos and content like this. See you all in the next one.